How to delete TikTok Shop messages. Hi guys, in this video we'll teach you how you'll be able to delete your TikTok Shop messages. What you can do is simply log in into your TikTok account and go to your messages that's on the lower right corner of the screen. All you have to do is to simply long press on the message, and then you will have a prompt here, and just simply click on the delete option. When you click on the delete button right here that's highlighted in red, it will automatically delete the messages that you have for that conversation in your TikTok shop. So as you can see here, if I will click on the delete button, that message from a customer or from one of my followers will automatically be deleted here in TikTok. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.